We're the Salty Locks Sisters.
I'm Brittany.
And I'm Amber.
The Salty Locks brand is going to educate other stylists to have the knowledge to know where hair is sourced and manufactured and how they can give their clients the very best results. I wanted to start the Salty Locks because I've used every big brand you can think of. I wasn't getting consistent results. There was no quality control in hair. I was ordering tapes from this brand, West from this brand, Fusion from this brand.
We were discovering that the hair wasn't lasting very long or it wasn't consistent. And it just happened enough times that finally Brittany and I sat down and I was like, we need to figure out what's going on.
Extensions aren't just for the client that wants to go from short to long. It's for your older gals that need a little fullness around their face. So extensions really can be for everyone. What makes Salty Locks different is that we only have 2 donors per pack of hair. So the hair is consistent, chemical-free, silicone-free, clean brand.
This is an educating brand and it's made by a stylist for stylists.
So Brittany as an educator is fantastic. She gets on your level. She gives you different ideas on how to do things, and she gives you the tools to use out in the real world. So now I get to give the whole package. It's not just, oh, let me do your color. It's, hey, I can completely change your life.
There were so many people that were hands-on and right there. As soon as you had a question, they were right around the corner. You didn't even really have to ask for them. They were just standing there waiting, and that they were hands-on and actually would show you over and over and over until you got it. They made sure you were really comfortable with it.
Whether you're a beginner or whether you are a master cosmetologist, you are getting the most out of it. You get all the different methods that they offer.
If you want to do a quality product, you need to research your hair and know the best ways of installing it.
We are able to sleep at night knowing that we do have the quality control and knowing that we have a sustainable, good product. As a founder, she's very ambitious and very driven. She's got an amazing work ethic.
I would say that Amber is very grounding. She keeps me level-headed. She's the one doing the orders, doing the payroll, figuring out the packaging, how to
Get the packaging. What excites me is when we're doing our classes and I can look out into the class and I see that stylist and the light bulb switches on and I literally can see it in their face. And then after their class, they're like, that was amazing. They'll come up to Brittany and say, you've literally just changed my career. And I said, you know what? That's what we do it for, is that right there. Thank you for choosing Salty Locks.